Well, what is this in here?
Go.
Easter?
Eat it.
What is that? The Easter Bunny leave you something? What is that? Is that an Easter basket? Oh, look at that. Who is that? Who's on the front of that? Give that to Mommy. Give the card to Mommy.
What's that one, Nathan?
Let me see it.
What's that one?
Oh. Horton,
A Horton book?
sit on an egg.
Look at this
You
one.
wanna
What's
read?
this one?
You got
The
two.
Bipolo seed. The Bipolo seed. Cat in the Hat. You got Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy and the Muppets Take Manhattan. Oh, neat. What's this? You got a ball for the basket. Yeah. I want to see you make a basket. Come on, make a basket.
Nathan shoot.
And he shoots. And Bingo's playing soccer.
Too big to get her nose in it. Hey, that one bounces, huh?
Shoot. Oh.
I knew you could. You can't go wrong with the ball. You want me to close that for you?